This will be the easiest and most yummy chicken porridge you'll ever make. Subscribe for more lazy recipes from me.
Hello lazy peeps. Here's an super easy way to make some chicken porridge. I have 2 dried scallops and I use 2 cups of rice and then a chicken that's been skinned, or whatever. You can buy chicken breast or drumsticks. You can just throw any chicken that you have in there with the rice, washed, and set it up on high and just leave it overnight, and you have your lunch and dinner. That probably took me about maybe 10 minutes to prepare, and you don't have to worry about not having food. This is a very healthy dish. The chicken soup is very good for you, so yeah, super easy meal. I hope you enjoy.
For the condiments, I'm adding cilantro or parsley. I'm not sure what these are called. They are from my garden. Usually we use green onions, but I didn't have any that day. Also, you definitely want to have some sliced ginger. Then add some salt and white pepper. These are the most important condiments to eat with chicken porridge. I can't live without any one of the condiments. I love all 3, the salt, the pepper, the green onions, and the ginger. But you can add as much as you like or as little as you like, and you can take out whatever you don't like to eat. But I think the condiments makes the soup really tasty. A lot of people like to sprinkle the condiments on top, but for me, I like to add it at the bottom. So when I scoop the hot soup over it, it kind of scalds the condiments and bring out the flavor a lot more. The condiments for me enhances the flavor of the soup, so I can't live without any of it. I love especially adding extra white pepper. I love to eat porridge, and there are so many ways to cook porridge. This was the most easiest way to cook the smoothest and creamiest porridge I've ever done. I was super excited to find out the results, and I wanted to share it with you guys. I hope you'll give it a try. It's so easy. It's like no work at all, so enjoy. Let me know below in the comments if you like these type of videos, and thanks for watching. Bye.